In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invitation to join a Slack workspace or channel. Whether you're joining a workspace directly or connecting through Slack Connect, follow along as we dive into the steps you'll need to take. Let's start with accepting a workspace invitation. First things first, you'll want to check your email inbox for an invitation sent by Slack. This email is sometimes easy to miss or could accidentally end up in your spam folder, so make sure to give your inbox a thorough look. Once you've found the invitation email, you'll see a button that says Join Now or something similar. Clicking this link will open up Slack for you. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your full name and possibly some other details to create your Slack account if you don't have one already. If you do, you'll just go ahead and sign in. Follow the prompts that appear to complete this process. After successfully accepting the invitation, your account will be activated within the workspace, and you'll get access to various channels and messages configured by the workspace administrators. Now, it's worth mentioning that if you can't find this invitation email, it's a good idea to reach out to the person who sent it to you initially. There's a chance that the invitation might have expired, as they are typically only valid for about 30 days. If that's the case, your contact will need to send you a new one. Next, let's move on to accepting a Slack Connect invitation, which is slightly different from a regular workspace join. Slack Connect allows you to join a channel that might be shared across different workspaces. To accept such an invitation, open your Slack app, whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, and navigate to your profile picture, typically found in the corner of the screen. From there, look for Invitations or Slack Connect Invitations. You'll need to locate the specific invitation you're looking to respond to. Make sure to review the details closely. This will include the workspace and channel names inviting you. Once you've verified the details, you can simply click on Accept, or you might see Accept and Join Channel. It's important to keep in mind that depending on the settings of the workspace you're trying to join, further approval from an owner or administrator might be necessary before you're fully onboarded into the channel. If that's the case, a notification will appear letting you know that approval is pending. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to smoothly join a Slack workspace or channel, ensuring you stay connected and productive with your team. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Slack tips and tricks.